Hey, so on this video, we're going to have a look at your bar options and your drink order. So if we click on drink order. So if you have a Twilight package that's on a Friday, Saturday or Sunday, or a Platinum package on any day of the week, your Bucks Fizz for your welcome drink after the ceremony and your Prosecco for the toast are included in the package. If you have a Twilight package on a weekday, which is Wednesday or Thursday, then you would need to pay the additional cost for those, which are £3.50 each. But because we are looking at the Platinum package today, it will show that the drinks are automatically included. So we'll say here, 50 arrival drinks, 1 drink per adult. So to add them, you click on arrival drinks, select add drink, Bucks Fizz included, and then press add the drink. Here will ask you for the number. So here we're going to input 50. It'll tell you there's 50 included, and then you just press save at the top. So on your table drinks, it will say 8 toast drinks included. That's based on 50 people. That will increase if you've got more, and it'll decrease if you've got less. So you can change the choices on there. Look for the toast drinks, which is Prosecco. Add the drink. Like I said, this is done per bottle, not per glass. So if you've got 8 included, just put the 8 there. Click off that and press save. And it's as simple as that. If you do have the finishing touch deco package, then your drinks will automatically be upgraded to strawberry daiquiri. So when you click on bar options, so this is how you want your guests to pay for their drinks. Are you going to give them a free bar? Are they going to pay for their own drinks, for example? So this is where you do it. So you just click here where it says yet to decide. And for now, we'll do a pay bar, so your guests pay for their own drinks. Press save. And then you send the section for review. Same on the drink order. Send section for review. So just make sure after each section, after you completed each section, you are sending it for review. Because that's when we confirm and we lock it down, you know that that part of your wedding is completed. Again, if you need to return to your home page, click the Sonas button at the top.